scheduled unlock period. I haven't done my research on that, but that's something I always say about infinite max supplies, right? You always want to do your research on that. Now, if you look at Aptos on Coinbase, if you look at the day chart, Aptos, this is a crazy chart if you think about it. We've just been going up and down forever. The bottom was in December 2022. Then you had your top here, January 2023, right? We had that double top. I remember that, the one top, two top. And then from then, we've been seeing a retracement. If we draw the fib from the high to the low here, we are currently above the 236 on the day chart, which is awesome. We do not want to fall back below that at about $4. Was that 485? 485. Well, like a lot of coins we're to look at today, the day chart and short-term time frame are going to be a little bit toppy, so it does kind of look like coins are going to either be moving sideways or not seeing a whole lot of price action here in the next several days. If you look at the MACD, yes, we're still bullish here on the MACD, but we still are on the bearish side, the bottom side of the MACD, which is bearish movement is more bearish, I guess you could say, to put it in simpler terms. And then with the RSI starting to tail up, which is good to see, WTX is tailing up, which is good to see. The blue is still above the orange on the stock RSI, but we are at a top level, guys. I mean, if you go all the way back to, you know, beginning of time here, every time we've been up in this general area on the stock RSI, we've seen heavy retracement from that point on. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if in the next, you know, week or several days, altcoins kind of just chop around sideways or see slight retracements. You know, it just gives you an opportunity to DCA in, because this thing's going to have to come all the way back down here before we start seeing the next push up. So, you know, like I mentioned, I'm done looking at the day chart, short-term time frames. Watch, if we go to the weekly is reset. The weekly is looking fantastic, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. The weekly's been looking fantastic. We've actually bombed out on the MACD here on the weekly